2025 Prelim RGPS Paper 2, Question 3. Mrs. Lim has black, purple, and red markers. Black, purple, and red markers. The number of black markers is 3 times the number of purple markers. 1/10 of the markers are red. What fraction of Mrs. Lim's markers are black? Now we know that 1/10 of the markers are red. Okay, so let's find fraction of markers that are not red. Okay, there's 1 whole minus 1/10 that give us 9/10. Fraction of markers not red is 9/10. Not red means black and purple. So now we know that the black marker is 3 times the number of purple markers. Okay, I'm just drawing this so that it's easier for you to visualize. Black marker is 3 times. So black is 3 units, purple is 1 unit. Total, how many units? 4 units. Alright, so now we know 4 units is same as 9/10 of all markers. What are we looking for? We are looking for black, which is 3 units. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 3 units. Let's find 1 unit first. 1 unit is 9/10 divided by 4. Okay, and let's work this out. 9/10 times 1/4. Okay, that gives us 9/40. Now what are we looking for? We are looking for 3u. Okay, 3u is equals to 9/40 times 3. Our answer is 27/40. Right, 27/40.